Welcome back. Today is Prime Day online. That means big deals on tech, beauty, and more. Want to know what to look for? Lifestyle expert Mickey Williams is here to help us shop smarter with her must-have Amazon Prime Day picks. So good to see you again, Mickey.
Hey, I know. I love seeing you, but I also love a good sale. So let's
I know you have
go.
so many great deals for us to choose from, and I love shopping when it's half off. So let's start
All
with
right.
travel.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, we had so much text sent to us, and we keep coming back to TOZO. TOZO is amazing. Okay, I am obsessed with these headphones. They're brand new. This is a TOZO HT3. Okay, first of all, let's just talk about it. They're over the ear. They have 90 hours of playtime.
Wow.
It's incredible. They're hybrid noise canceling headphones. And what's great about them too is they're high res, audio certified, spatial audio, AI chat with 5 mics. They support dual connection. They even have a little plug-in if you're on the plane with your kid. Smart environment adaptive noise cancellation with 4 noise canceling microphones. It's absolutely incredible. And right now they're up to 50% off. And let me tell you something. They're under $50. So
Oh,
if you're gonna
wow.
thinking about gifts or anything, you need to scoop those up because they're unbelievable and they're on sale. And everything from that brand so far is really hitting hard. And so go get them. And then beauty tech,
I'm
right? We already
excited
talked
about
about.
this. I'm looking at this right now and I'm like, I don't know. I always want the latest beauty device. Help me, Mickey. What is this?
Okay, I got 2 for you. All right. I've got, first of all, the Medicube Booster Pro. This is the 6-in-1. This little baby right here. It's one of the most coveted devices. It's normally 210. It's on sale right now for 175. It's 17% off. It sculpts, it snatches, it minimizes pores. It's a Hollywood favorite by your Chloe, your Kylie and your Haley. But what I love about it as a makeup artist is that Sir John absolutely uses this every time before any red carpet event. And what's
Mm.
great about it is that what it does is it uses this gentle electric currents to help kind of deliver everything, to do the sculpting, to do the snatching. It's unbelievable. People wait for this to go on sale so you can be one too and grab it. That's going to be one of the best things you're going to find. But also, wait, I know I don't know if I ever got you hooked on DermaFlash before, but DermaFlash is also another incredible beauty tech device. And our storefront is all their devices are 20% off right now, including the fan favorite DermaFlash Luxe Plus. This right here is incredible because what this comes with, let me see if I can put it back in there. What this does is it gets rid of all of that surface dead skin cells, but it also gets rid of all of that peach fuzz. So your cosmetics are going to go on smoother. Your skincare is going to go great. What it's inspired by those medical dermaplaning treatments. It's got this powered by this Sonic Edge technology, and it has all these proprietary safety features, so you don't have to worry that you're going to cut yourself. It's got 2 speeds. What I love about it too is that it comes with a pre-flash cleanser. It comes with these 4 single-use little micro fine edges and a charger. So you have everything there. And that is really clinically proven to improve the health of your skin. So
Well,
you've already got all of your beauty tech covered
yeah.
and they're on sale. So
Well, the
come on.
thing for me is with the dermaplaning, I mean, they say that is the best thing for makeup. I mean, and you know that.
It is the most beautiful, smooth finish. I have been using DermaFlash for so many years and I use it on my clients. It's such a gorgeous finish to the skin. But what I really love about it too is that it helps everything absorb better.
Okay.
So when you get off that peach fuzz, girl, it's incredible. It's on sale, 20% off. And then nails, I just took off my Gel X and I'm so psyched and I can't wait to dig into this.
Yeah.
I was looking for really, go ahead. I was looking for really award-winning products and Beauty Power nailed it. They just won the Allure Beauty Award. And what's great about it is this is their 3-in-1 right here. This is 39% off. All right. This just won the award. It's an amazing. This is the set. It's already prepackaged if you want to buy a ton of them for Christmas gifts. 10.99, and it has the cuticle nipper. This is professional cuticle nipper.
All
Incredible,
right.
durable products. I
I
know.
love
It
I
has
love all I love all the cases and stuff that they come in too.
yeah.
But I'm really
Look how
excited
look how cute
also.
this one is
Yeah,
too.
I know. I love them all. But what about the collagen stuff? Because I hear that's great for beauty really quick.
Oh my God, Live Conscious is killing it. I love their collagen peptides. Right now, they're up to 30% off. And what's incredible too is they have another little extra discount there that you can see. But what's great, it's just really packed with like 19 essential amino acids, but it works on your skin, it works on your hair, it works on your nails, it works on your joints. Why I love Live Conscious is because it is grass-fed, hormone-free, pasture-raised, bovine, and it comes in 4 flavors that mix in hot or cold, which is important when you're looking for collagen. It
Okay.
just
I
came out with
love
their
it.
hazelnut. It is so good. It just makes it easy to take collagen and it's not gritty. I love it.
All right, what's your final deal?
Final deal, do you want better sleep?
Yes.
Right now, I'm obsessed because this works as having a sale on Amazon. And let me tell you, this deep pillow spray actually works. It's been clinically proven to. You just spray it on your pillow and it's going to take you, it's got 99% natural ingredients, and it's going to take you into a nicer, smoother sleep, just like that. And it
All
works.
right. I'm already
It totally
relaxed.
works.
I love it. Thanks so much. Thanks for celebrating Prime Day with us.
Yay, go buy shopping. I love it. I
All
love
right.
a sale.
Thanks, Mickey. And everyone, you can learn more about anything you saw today. Go to sharetheglam.com.